Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C11 and today I'll show you how to enable the battery saving option. So to get started, let's go into the settings. From here, scroll down till you see battery right over here. And you'll have the power saving mode right here, or the super power saving mode. Now as you can see, without it, right now the battery will last approximately or is it available 4 hours and 14 minutes. With the power saving mode enabled, it's gonna last for 15 minutes longer. Seems like not much of a battery saver there, but at least the super power saving mode will add me a couple more hours. So if you enable this, now just a heads up, with super power saving mode everything becomes simple. As you can see, you don't really have much access to a lot of things, and you're fairly limited in terms of what you can do here, but at least you get several more hours of battery here. So yeah, once you're done with this mode, you will have to tap right here on the exit, and this will go back to the normal Android. Assuming I can actually tap on it. There we go. So as you can see, now it's back. Now in the super power saving mode, it does limit the device quite significantly. Wi-Fi and stuff like that are basically disconnected when the device is sleeping. The brightness is lowered to, well, almost invisible state, and overall use notifications will arrive in bulk whenever you actually interact with the device. Also, the processor is being slowed down, so it uses less energy and a bunch of other things like that. So keep that in mind. But yeah, that is how you would enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.